To set up Bixby on your Samsung Galaxy A37, you just need to open up Settings and then scroll and tap on the option Advanced Features. From here, select Bixby, and then the first thing you'll be told is to give Bixby the necessary permissions, such as access to your microphone, calendar, and all sorts of things. So go ahead and select Continue. And then you can now start going through the process of setting it up. So choose the language you want Bixby to be in. So by default, it chooses your system language. You can always just tap on the drop down arrow and customize to your liking. And then simply select the option Next. From here, say the key phrase that you've been given. Hi Bixby, set an alarm for 7 a.m. Hi Bixby, how can I make the battery last longer? Hi Bixby, raise the volume and play music. Once you finish saying all of those phrases, you've now taught Bixby how to recognize your voice. You can then choose the key phrase that you want whenever you wish to activate Bixby, either Hi Bixby or just Bixby. Then tap on Next. And then from here, just simply go ahead and tap on Done to finish up. Next, you'll be brought to your Bixby settings page where you can see all of the Bixby customizations you can add, such as language and voice style, sound feedback, and all sorts of things. But now, if you ever want to use Bixby, just say the phrase that you chose and whatever it is that you want. So say, for example, you want a 7 a.m. alarm to go to the airport. All you need to do is simply say, Hi Bixby, set an alarm for 7 a.m. And as you can see, it's now setting my alarm. For 7 a.m. tomorrow. So as you can see, Bixby has successfully set my alarm for 7 a.m. Now you can now be able to use it on your Galaxy A37. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.